Hi guys and welcome back to my tropical garden. Well, today I'm going to be showing you a little collection of these lovely plants here. I love these plants. It's an Aeonium and they're really easy to grow. You've obviously got to keep them indoors in the winter because they won't handle a frost at all. But this is a cracking little plant. Look, it's got all these little bits coming. It's a bit like a tree, isn't it? Anyway, I've overwintered this in the greenhouse, which I do every year, and some of them I take indoors. The smaller ones sit on a windowsill quite nicely. They're quite happy, but if they don't get enough light, they tend to sort of start to go a bit on the green side. In fact, if they don't get much light, they'll go very, very green. So here's my collection, and next I'll be showing you how to take a little cutting. Now this little guy here is probably my favourite. It's very neat, very tidy, not too big. They get a little bit unsightly if they get too big, and sometimes they fall over like this one here. Now this one really has fallen over. In fact, it started to turn up a bit at the end, so I'm going to have to do something with this one. I love the way the sunlight shines through those leaves there. So here's the one that's fallen right over. I'm going to put a cane down the side of the pot there. Get a little bit of string, tie that around the cane first. Then when that's done, just cut the string and gently pull your Aeonium back into the position where you want it, nice and straight. And tie it off. There you go, that's that job done. Snip off the cane, and also we're in for a bit of a tidy up here. There's a few stinger nettles in here, so I'm afraid this plant's been a little bit neglected over the summer months, so it's about time it had a tidy up. We'll clear away all these weeds. Well, not really weeds. There's some ornamental grass in there that's got in there somehow. Yeah, take those out. All the odd bits. Put a little bit of fresh soil around the bottom. And yeah, that looks much better. Now to take some cuttings. That's so simple, so easy. I'm going to choose this bit of a scruffy plant here, cut off these little stalks. Now you don't have to do this, but you can use a bit of rooting powder. I'm just going to do this one, I won't bother with the rest. Just put a little bit on the end, I suppose it does help a bit. And I'm going to put these cuttings around the base of this bigger plant, and then this time next year this pot should be a whole bush of Aeoniums and looking absolutely glorious. So just put it in there, make a little hole with a stick or something, make a little hole like that, put in your cuttings that have been cut quite cleanly, just nestle it in and squish the soil down a little bit just to make it feel comfortable, if you like, so it can grow some roots. Put this third one in here. There we go. Tap it down. Now this one here has been done for about 2 weeks, and I'm being a little bit impatient really, so I'm taking it out to check for roots, and nah, nothing yet, but there will be. There's plenty of time. So I'll just pop that in and leave it to grow. So easy to do. Get free plants like this. And that stalk, well, I'll leave that to grow again another day. That'll get me some more shoots. So please try this if you've got some of these. It's so easy. I'm just going to straighten this plant up now. So there we are, that's my Aeonium collection, all tidied up, smartened up, and just got to put them back in their places now. Well, there you have it, some cuttings, my little plant collection of these lovely Aeoniums. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now, and bye from my garden.